So if you are ready to add images to a gallery, you can go up to the administrator and then click on gallery, and it'll bring you to this page and it will show you which galleries that you have. You may only have one. As you can see, we actually have 5. But to edit the photos and to add new ones, you can just click on the image icon here, and it will show you the ones that are already existing in the gallery. The gallery that we are looking at is this one today. So you can just click through. There's the large ones, and then below it, it has the smaller versions of each. So to go back here, you can add new image, which is right here. You can just click on the green button. And you can actually add 5 images at a time, which is nice if you have a lot of photos to upload. So I'm going to choose the first one. Same thing as when you do documents or anything else on the website. Anything you put on the website has to be put on the server first. So we're going to find our file on our computer. And I'm going to choose Chris here. And I'm going to type his name up top. And I can actually choose which galleries I want him to be in. So if you hold down Command if you're on a Mac or Control if you're on a Windows, you can just click on each one. Also the sizes as well. So the sizes that were chosen were the 300, 6, and the 900. So like I said, of course you can upload more than one at a time. So we're going to do another image. So let's click on 2. This is going to be Neil. Find his image. We're going to add him to the boys and production side. And again, it's the 300, the 600, and the 900. So once you have all the information in, you can do add image. Once your images have been added, you can scroll down to the bottom. And here are my 2 new images. Now you can rearrange the order by just clicking and dragging these 2 blue arrows here. And it will actually rearrange it on the gallery on the site as well. So if we go back to the gallery, we can refresh the page. And we'll click through. And there's Chris. And there's Neil. So, as you can see, the rest of them have the larger name and then the smaller name underneath it. And we have to add that to Neil. So, this also works on any existing photos as well. If you want to edit what the photos say and anything like that, you can just click on the blue wrench and it'll bring you to this here. This will also be if you want to add them to another gallery. So if you want to add Alan here to the production side, again, just do Command click on a Mac and then Control click on a Windows and do save. And if you go back to image list, you can see it added him to another gallery. So we will look for Neil here. Click on the blue wrench. And we're just going to type his name again down here. Because this is the smaller version down here, and this is the larger version up here. You can do save changes. We will refresh the page. We'll go find Neil. And he now has a small and a large version of his name. Now, if you want to remove an image from a gallery or change the size, you can just click on the little red X's next to it. This window will pop up saying, "Are you sure?" And you can do OK. And you just removed him from that gallery. Now, if you click on this red X over here, that will delete the image. That will also delete the image off the server as well. So that's all you need to know for adding images to your gallery.